Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Atlantic City. I believe this is Pacific Avenue. We're in front of Rocktain, which is part of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. It's a place where after you leave the Hard Rock and you're heading home, you can gas up, get the car washed, and get a few snacks at the same time, all with a rock and roll theme. And as you can see from the sign overhead, it says, "Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends." Lyrics from Emerson, Lake and Palmer. Get ready to experience the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City, set on 17 acres with the legendary Atlantic City Boardwalk as its backdrop. The Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Atlantic City will dial up the AC excitement with world-class entertainment and a music vibe unlike any other. I very rarely come in through this entrance. This is actually the front entrance, if you will. I usually go in through the boardwalk, but this is where guests come if they're staying at the hotel because it leads right to the registration desk. Let's check it out, shall we? This is the lobby bar where you can sip and mingle in the heart of the Hard Rock Hotel. The lobby bar is the resort's social centerpiece, the perfect place to meet up and chill out with friends. With views of the hotel arrival, lobby, and casino, the lobby bar features an effortlessly cool vibe that sets the scene to indulge in crafted classic and contemporary cocktails. The lobby bar also hosts musical guests throughout the week. During this particular walkthrough of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, I couldn't help notice there were firemen and firewomen everywhere, downstairs, upstairs, in the convention area. I'm assuming there was some kind of convention here. They were all New Jersey fire companies. Either that or there was a false alarm right before I got here. I always like to point out that the marble flooring depicts guitar picks. Look what I said. As you walk through the casino, if you come to the southern end of the building, you'll find some dining. Some casual dining on the left. Coming up here is UU Noodle Bar. And on the right-hand side, you have Sandpiper Coastal Bar and Grill, Council Oak Steaks and Seafood, Kuro, and Il Molino, New York. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Minnie Mouse in my latest Orlando video, Disney Springs Town Center. Once again, good eye, Deborah Camacho. Obviously, there's rock and roll memorabilia throughout the entire complex. Actually, this is one of the largest collections of rock and roll memorabilia at any Hard Rock hotel. And there's also a video here on the New York channel of exclusively just of the memorabilia in this building. This is the Hard Rock Cafe, and in the community room here on the New York channel, I recently did a post where Lionel Messi, who is a soccer legend, created his own burger, and they're available at Hard Rocks around the world. The Messi burger includes 10 flavorful ingredients for a game-changing take on the Hard Rocks legendary steak burger. There's a juicy double stack of the finest ground beef patties with toppings that include provolone cheese, sliced chorizo, caramelized red onion, Hard Rock signature spicy smoky sauce, served on a toasty brioche bun with shredded romaine lettuce and vine-ripened tomatoes. And if you want to get really messy, try the burger topped with a fried egg for a small fee. Again, check that post out in the community room here on the New York channel. And next time I'm at the Hard Rock, which should be shortly after my visit to Las Vegas next week, I will definitely try this burger out and bring you guys the video. By the way, I personally find the Hard Rock has the smokiest casino out of all the casinos in Atlantic City. It really does get thick and heavy sometimes, the cigarette smoke in this casino. And the sports book, I really can't take the sports book at all. There's like no ventilation in there, and it's extremely smoky, which is no big deal because it's basically the smallest sports book in town. It's like a hallway with a bar. Hold on tight. Hey man, if you're digging what I'm putting down and find this video totally groovy, why don't you do me a solid and subscribe to the New York channel and give it a thumbs up? It really does help the channel out. Peace. Saltwater taffy. The Hard Rock here in Atlantic City features 2,115 slot machines to help you win big and live the rock star lifestyle. There's also 150 table games and Asian table games, including Pai Gow, Baccarat, Asian poker, and popular Chinese casino games. And of course the sports book, which is downstairs. And all of this comes with all the cigarette smoke you want. Upstairs here is kind of like a food court. The Hard Rock calls it the Flavor Tour, and the Flavor Tour is Hard Rock's convenient dining option with 7 different quick service locations serving up everything from sandwiches and salads to gourmet burgers and gelato. Also up here is the historic, well, not so much historic here at Hard Rock, but Atlantic City's historic White House subs, one of the best submarine sandwiches you can buy anywhere. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's walkthrough of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Atlantic City. If you did, or even if you didn't, leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. Don't forget to visit the New York merchandise store in a link below in the description. And have a nice day, guys. As always, thank you so much for subscribing and watching. By the way, I could never figure out what's worse, really high, dangerous escalators or see-through glass stairs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.